In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Miro for your creative and collaborative projects. Miro is an exceptional tool that facilitates visual collaboration with its user-friendly interface and wide array of features. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to navigate Miro like a pro, making the most of its capabilities to enhance your productivity and creativity. Let's start by going to the Miro website. Navigate to Miro.com and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is straightforward and it will definitely pay off with the features you'll be able to access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which serves as your control center within Miro. Here you'll be greeted by a display of all your existing boards, a handy way to keep track of your ongoing projects all in one place. Now click on any existing board you wish to work with. If you're just starting out, I recommend creating a new board to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. When you open a board, you'll notice the clean interface designed to minimize distractions. This is key when you're in the zone of brainstorming or planning. Next, let's add a little fun and personalization to your board using emojis and stickers. To do this, locate the emoji and sticker icon. It's usually found on the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Clicking this icon opens a world of possibilities, allowing you to express sentiment and add flair to your projects in a simple, visual way. Once you've opened the emoji and sticker panel, you can browse through the selection to find an emoji or sticker that suits your needs. With hundreds of options to choose from, there's something for just about every scenario and mood. After selecting your desired emoji, simply drag it into your board. You'll notice how easy it is to adjust the size and position, making it fit seamlessly into your layout. Integrating emojis and stickers is more than just a fun addition. It's a strategic tool for highlighting key points or breaking down complex ideas into easily digestible visuals. This can enhance team communication and make your boards more engaging. And that's it! You've now learned how to navigate Miro, open boards, and enrich your projects using emojis and stickers. With these tools at your fingertips, you're now ready to take your collaboration and creativity to the next level. Miro's versatility can support everything from brainstorming sessions to detailed project management. So don't hesitate to explore and experiment within your boards to find new ways to leverage this powerful visual tool. Happy collaborating!